Hi, welcome to Liber Computers, where learning is fun. Today, we will be learning the Lesson 2 of Networking Basics. In today's session we will learn static IP addressing, the network adapter, and basic networking commands. First, select and right-click on network icon and click on Properties on the left. Select Change Adapter Settings. Select the network adapter and click on Properties. Select IP version 4 and click on the Properties option. Select Use the following IP address. There are 5 classes of IPv4 address. We can use any class of IP address. For an example, we will use class C. Use Tab or click on the Subnet Mask option to get the subnet mask for class C. Use the router IP address or server IP or device that connects to the Internet as the default gateway. Click OK and close all the open windows. Next, click on Start button and open Windows command line interface, and run it as administrator. Type ipconfig/all in the command line interface to get the configuration of the network adapter, which includes your IP, subnet mask, default gateway and your MAC address. We can check internet connectivity and also the network connectivity by using the ping command. After typing ping, we can use an URL or an IP address. Traceroute is a command which can show you the path a packet of information takes from your computer to one you specify. We can also use IT on an IP address. To check the name of the computer or host name, we can type host name in the command line interface. End of this session today, we have learned configuring the network adapter for manual IP addressing and using basic commands to check network connectivity. Thank you. Our second session comes to an end. See you all for session 3.